Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold pretty much went just as expected today, went up and broke the high of wave 4. I even said this morning that the 61 and the 50% seemed like a pretty likely area. But seeing the shape that it actually made makes me think that this is more like a trend, probably like a wave A. We do have CPI news coming out tomorrow, so it's going to be very interesting to see what this does. I would kind of like to see 3 waves up. Maybe something like this prior to the news, then we would be expecting a big push down to tomorrow's CPI news. Now, on the other hand, if it actually ends up doing something like this between now and tomorrow's CPI news, then I would say that maybe this move down is actually just a motor wave correction, and maybe tomorrow's CPI news could cause this to just keep on going up. Either way, whether it does, option 1 or option 2, we should be able to recognize it prior to the news. We should be able to trade accordingly, and continue to make some really nice profits along the way. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I say with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.